We'll be discussing about psychology. It's an important concept that lies the potential for money of the Indians will explore from a discourse. But before we get started, I want to encourage you all to participate actively during the lecture. Don't hesitate to ask questions and share your thoughts. Remember, this is a collaborative learning and important and your contribution are incredibly important. Also, please make sure to take notes throughout the lecture. It helps the import understanding of the material and sectors as useful referencing you very much. Next step, write the play lesson. If you're ready, let's begin.